Hi everyone. So let us see. So another file. So for the so please open. So here's a prompt. So I'm just writing. So you can just open this one. So do browser. So what it has to do. So it has to take the receipts and everything and create a email. So extract uh, extract employee details from this table on this page and okay, go to Gmail tab and send email to your path.learner@gmail.com for each and every employee here. So in body mention, that means so I employee I and the employee name which you captured or extracted from this table like a if draw and calculate years of service based on date of join column here and mention body of email. Then subject is unique like work and anniversary converts. Let us see what it will do. Again, it's open there. So I asked it not to open the Gmail and use the Gmail which I opened in the first tab, but it is opened separately. So at the same time, let us see. Okay, it's still executing, and now it is uh, thinking what to do. The next steps. Next steps, maybe it will capture. That is capture all the elements in the screen, understand each and every element in the screen, and it identify the compose as a button. It is perform the click activity. Again, yeah, it will think capture all the elements and based on the prompt, what step we have to perform. There's a typing drop down. Yeah, it executes all the email, subject, body. Okay, let us see. So it's a 3 years really. And again, it is captured and what it will do. It's clicking on the send. Okay, perfect. Okay, so it identifies the name of the employee and I get the case of service based on the date of join column and send an email. So it's supposed to send to the specific person, so we don't have a specific person email. So that's why I just sent to my email ID on it. Yeah, now it's captured again. Let us use over the second that we performed. Oh, it picked the next person, I think. Yeah, so it's picked the next person and oh, okay, super. So 1 year. You mentioned so 1 year, 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 not 1 years. Okay. In the body, 1 year it is mentioned, and it's a dynamic email. Like so yeah, the name of the employee is dynamic, and years of experience is dynamic. And even so, years of experience we didn't mention anywhere. We just mentioned the date of joining only. What it will do is it will take the date of joining and calculate the current by minus current time and calculate the number of years. And it is mentioned so 1 year, not really like a 1 years. Let us see. So if it's a more than one, so whether it's a year or years, it will mention. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Okay, Anniversary, congratulations. Let's pick the next person. You have been with the 12, super 12 years. Okay. So it's one automatically identifies, we have to mention about year, not years. Okay. So it's more than one, so it identifies the years. Okay. Super. So let us wait for one more email, then I will just stop the video. So you perform the same things like so use the do browser and do the multiple things to try to automate manual things and all. Okay. Here my question to you all is what RPA developer has to do if this kind of agency is coming into the world. Okay. It is not coming, it came, okay, and it will learn. Okay. Normally to do this UI automation, so we have to identify what activity we have to use to type to address our subject or body, and a lot of logic we have to implement, like so data joining minus current years, calculating the years, and mention the if conditions. If it's a one, it is a year. If it is a no more than one, it is a year's word. Okay. Uh, uh, Design, generate the body of the email. Okay, so and also you have a lot of selector stuff identifying the elements, compose button, or so go to the initial step like so work canvas, extracting the data from the table extraction, keeping it to the data table, and nothing we are doing, right? So see, nothing. Okay, from the prompt, whatever you are seeing now in front of your eyes, okay, nothing. Do you understand? Nothing RPA developer is doing. Okay, everything is like a prompt to what? Prompt to automation directly. Okay. So usually we give the prompt, okay, and automation is running in front of your eyes now. Okay. So the prompt to automation run. So there is a lot of steps, and a great person is involved. Who is that person? RPA developer. Okay. Whether he is using the UI path, automation anywhere, or Blue Prism, or a Power Automate, or anything. Okay. Now, tell me in the comments of this video. Just write the comments. Okay, so what RPA developer has to do if this kind of agents come into the picture? Okay, so please write into comments. Okay, so don't yeah, click on the comments and so like this video, subscribe this channel. Okay, so I will post multiple this kind of things and you can just upgrade. Okay. So most of the RP developers, they are very busy with the projects and timelines and what else? Okay, so there is a lot of they are very busy. Okay, but I don't know. So what it is around the world? They while they are just fulfilling the projects and based on the existing stuff which they learned, and if they are not upgrade, okay, so their skills they're not up to the market standards. Okay, so AI agents are coming and AI agents are came. So without doing having any 1 hour efforts also. Okay. Normally your RP developer takes like they will estimate and they will prepare the documents PDD and they will just go for the approvals and then again they will discuss with the SMEs or clients. A lot of discussion after that. So they will start the development and so development, the testing, UAT, and production deployment. Oh my God, nothing we are doing. Prompt to automation. Prompt to automation. Perform give the a proper prompt, then automation is in place. Do you understand the prompt? And it's like it's not only a specific uh, website. Okay, it will work for the any website. So that's the beauty of this kind of artificial intelligence. Okay, it will work for us. It will, just like a human, it will see and understand all the components and what it has to perform, what action, right? So here in these examples, we have a click activities, type into activities, and so generating the proper compose mail body, right? So multiple things. Okay, yeah. Thank you very much. So please subscribe and click on the like button, and yeah. So please give the comments in this things. What RP? My question is, what RP developer has to do if this kind of things come into the picture? Thank you very much.